So hi guys, good day. So today we are going to learn how to create a kind of dash lines on a shape using the Pixellab. So I will go to shape. Yeah, let's take an example. Let's see, I'm going with this triangle, and then I want to let me go to opacity and then decrease the opacity. So for the stroke, I will increase it here. Let me just increase it to 3. Let me increase it to 3, and then for this, let me just decrease the size. So I can actually, let's say I want the radius to be like this, and the radius to be like this. So here we go. What will happen now is I will go to text here and then delete this. So I will go to here where you see this equal sign here. Sorry. Trying to fix this. Okay. I will go to here. This 1, 2, 3. Go to this equals or less than, fix it. You see this, so we are clicking on this icon here, this symbol here. So let me just create it. So let me just leave it like this. Let me leave it like this. Or maybe let me decrease the size here. So let me leave it like this. So here we go. I will actually go to spacing. Where's my spacing? I'll just space it out. Let me centralize both so that it will be easy. So let me go to spacing again. And then space it out. Where's my spacing? Okay. Where's my spacing? Yeah. So let me just centralize everything. Yeah. Let's look like good to go. Let's centralize it like this. Okay. Yeah, here we go. So I will copy it and then put it at the down one here. So I will also centralize this. Yep. So now what will happen is I will go to this again, copy it. Sorry, I just copy it and then increase this. Yep, here we go. So what will happen is I will turn this. Where is my rotate? So I will turn it like this. Yep. And then I will figure it to out here. Make it to be like this. Yep. I will also drag this one and I copy it and put it toward this edges also. So I will mesh the images and then the shape. It has been meshed. So now after measuring it, I will go to erase color. So So you see the effect actually. So I can increase the tolerance. So here is just how to do this dotted marks, dotted lines using Pixellab, and then you can actually do it for a cycle shape also. Cycle shape. Here is a cycle shape. I will just increase the size and then increase the opacity to 5, strokes to 5, and then what I can. So what will happen is I will decrease the size of this. Here is it for this one. So I will go to text here, and then for this also I will just create the dotted marks. So I can go to pen and then bend it toward here, bend it toward here. Let me just reduce this. Let me reduce this. This curve is what I use. Yawa. So let me copy it again, and then I will go to off and then make it like this. Let me reduce some of them here. Reduce it a little bit. So here we go, here we go, here we go. So here we go. So I will mesh the three with the shape, and then go to erase color. So you actually see the effects now. So let me make the background to be white so that you can see it very clearly. So here is it. Here is just how to create a dotted lines on a shape. Thank you very much for your time. For those of you who doesn't subscribe, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you can learn how to do design using your smartphone. Thank you very much.